If you're thinking about upgrading your business van this year, this is the one you need to see. We've got a brand new stock Volkswagen Transporter Combi ready to go immediately, and the deal on this van is seriously strong. This is a Commerce Pro model with 150 brake horsepower, 2-litre diesel engine, giving you the perfect mix of power, comfort and economy for everyday business use. Whether you're in construction, electrics, plumbing or deliveries, this van is built to work. And because it's a stock vehicle, there's no factory long wait times. You could be driving this van in weeks, not months. That's a massive advantage right now, with the lead time still affecting a lot of new commercial vehicles. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. We can do a business lease for just $464 plus VAT over 4 years with 12 payments up front. And on top of all that, the van comes with 5 free services included, keeping the running costs down from day one. With a P11D value of over £55,000, you're getting a serious amount of van for the money. If your business needs a professional looking, reliable van that's ready to work immediately, this is exactly the kind of deal you should be jumping on before it's gone. Stock vehicles at this level and this price don't hang about for too long. So, if you need more information, finance figures, or you want to secure this van before someone else does, get in touch with Car Lease for you today. First come, first served on this one.